This problem says to consider the equation y equals negative 3x minus 1. Circle the ordered pairs that are solutions. So remember, for an ordered pair to be the solution, it has to be this x and this y, when it is substituted into the equation, should make both sides balance, should make both sides equal. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to replace, and remember, x comes before y in the alphabet, so the first number is x and the second number is y in the ordered pair. So I'm going to go ahead and remove x and plug in the negative 4. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove y and plug in the 11. And I need to see if if whatever's on the left and the right are equivalent. So we're going to go ahead and multiply. Negative 3 times negative 4 is 12, and 12 minus 1 is 11. So, therefore, yes, it is a solution. So, yes. Okay, let's go ahead and try point B. So, we are going to go ahead and take out x and plug in 1. Take out y and plug in 4. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. And negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. They are not equal. So no, it's not a solution. So far, only point A works. Okay, so now let's check point C. So if I plug in 2 for x and 5 for y, let's see if that would work. So I'm going to get rid of the x, plug in a 2, get rid of the y, and replace it with a 5. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. And then negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7. They do not equal. So no, it is not a solution. It is not a point on y equals negative 3x minus 1's graph. It's not a solution. Okay, lastly here, we're going to go ahead and plug in negative 1/3 for x. So I'm going to get rid of x and replace it with negative 1/3. And replace the y with 0. So negative 3, so first of all, a negative times a negative is a positive. And then 3 times 1/3, you could either multiply straight across and get 3 over 3, which is 1, or you can cross simplify and the 3's will divide out and you're just left with 1 over 1, which is 1. So this makes 1, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. So it works. So the answer to this problem is A and D. They both are points or solutions to the equation we were given.